666 mileage.
Oh, I thought you said.
Yes, sir. Oh my God.
She's okay. Fuck, my brake is bent.
Guys, don't look on your fucking phone. That's what I fucking get. Fucking hell. Damn it. My baby girl. Oh my God, I just fell, guys. Y'all see that shit? Oh my fucking God, I'm so pissed off right now. I'm so mad. My brakes are kind of close now. Fuck! Oh, okay, no, it's fine. You would never guess what just happened. Right when you said ride safe, I literally fucking fell.
You fell?
Yeah.
Where
No, I'm good. I wasn't looking on the fucking, because I was trying to put my phone down and I ran right into the fucking sidewalk like a dumbass. And I was like, what? No, everything is fine. Yeah, the bike's fine. It's just my rear brake lever is kind of like, it's kind of bent in, but everything is fine. Like the frame guard like blocked everything. Nothing's damaged on top. It's just the frame slider and no, yeah, everything should be straight. I hope. Yes. Because it was a slow ass. Yeah, no, I'm going slow as shit right now. It was a slow ass. Ah, my God, I'm so mad right now, dude. Oh my. You literally just said it, and I was just like, oh my God. It was, and then like the security guy came out. He's like, "You good?" She's driving okay right now. Yeah. Oh no, I'm already like on the road, sir. I should be okay. Yes, sir. Cause like the bike looked okay. I didn't. It was only like the scuffs from the frame slider. That was really it, and the bent brake. But the brake is working, so it's. No, yeah, I am not doing shit right now. Yeah, I am going back to a freaking MSF course, Mick. Alrighty, sir. Just wanted to. Oh no, well, like hour back, like both ways. So just 30 minutes, like 20. Yeah. Yes, sir. No worries. Alrighty, boss. See you, man. Guys, what the hell just happened? I'm so mad right now. I'm so disappointed in myself. I'm afraid to go fast because I don't know what's wrong with her. She looks a little off, right? Like, it doesn't look straight, right? Oh my God, what am I doing, man? You're such a noob. Oh my God, guys. I mean, to be honest, the way I was riding, it's time to catch up to me, right? For me to humble myself, right? I am humbled, guys. I mean, I'm still gonna ride crazy once I get it fixed, but I'm humbled as shit right now. She doesn't seem, oh my God, I fucking... Brakes are still responding. Dude, that's so unfortunate. Ah. Fucking bitch. Ass motherfucker, bro. He literally just told me to ride safe. Sorry guys, I'm not talking a lot because I am literally just so mad right now at myself. It wasn't even like a... Like if it slipped underneath me, you know, like that's fine. And like I made like a rider mistake. I mean, this was a rider mistake, yes, because you don't go on your phone. But I'm never on my phone when I'm on my bike, bro. What am I doing, bro? Like, what am I doing, guys? What am I doing? Oh my God. My seat, I hope my seat didn't get scratched up. Fuck, man. Oh my God, guys. I'm so flaccid right now. Why do people start slowing down when I pull up? Now my helmet is even more scratched up. I've already dropped it. Man. My second fall. It hurts just the same. Let's get some gas and see the damage. Okay, it's only just this. Just this. This saved most of it. This helped me out too. No hoses. Anything over here? Huh. There's no gas right now. Okay, I'll get gas tomorrow then. That shaking sound. Oh, you can't even fucking see it. But that's basically all the damage on the tires too. Oh, I got some rim. Oh my god. No, I hope the rim is not warped. This got scratched up. This exhaust. This is probably the most, because like bent. Oh shit. All the wiring and hoses look good still. Bro, I'm so blown, man.